Looking to enjoy fresh, healthy juices every day? The best juicer machine for home makes it effortless to extract vitamins from fruits and vegetables. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean, it's perfect for any kitchen enthusiast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. EanOruus Juicer Machine for Home. The EanOruus Juicer Machine is designed with convenience, safety, and performance in mind, making it an excellent choice for families who want fresh, nutrient-rich juice at home. One of its standout features is the wide feed chute, which allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. This not only saves valuable prep time, but also makes juicing more child-friendly and accessible. The powerful 400W motor is impressive, providing enough force to separate juice from pulp efficiently, delivering a higher yield compared to many other models. By incorporating a 7-stage spiral auger, the juicer effectively reduces oxidation and heat buildup, ensuring that nutrients and enzymes remain intact in every glass. Another highlight is its double-layer filter system, which works to thoroughly separate juice from pulp, minimizing clogging and ensuring a smooth texture. The cold press technology further enhances juice quality by minimizing frothiness while keeping flavors natural and fresh. Safety is also a priority, as the juicer won't operate unless the handle and lid are securely aligned, reducing user error and accidents. For added support, EanOruus includes a troubleshooting guide that helps users quickly resolve common setup and operation issues. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to detachable parts, making it convenient for everyday use. Families who prioritize nutrient retention and hassle-free juicing will find this machine a valuable addition to their kitchen. Overall, the EanOruus juicer machine strikes a great balance between power, safety, and efficiency, producing juice that is both fresher and more flavorful than what traditional juicers can offer. Number 2. YPONE Juicer Machine for Home. The YPONE juicer machine is built for efficiency and convenience, making it a solid choice for households that regularly enjoy freshly made juice. Its standout feature is the large 5.4-inch feed chute, which accommodates whole fruits and vegetables without the need for chopping. This feature is especially helpful for busy mornings, as it significantly cuts down prep time. Safety is also well considered, thanks to the smart safety lock function that ensures the machine stops immediately when the lid is opened, making it ideal for family use. Operating at a slow 55 RPM, the YPONE cold press juicer retains more nutrients by minimizing heat generation and oxidation. This means juices taste fresher, richer, and are packed with vitamins. Its dual strainer system ensures fine filtration, reducing residue, and ensuring smooth, pulp-free juice. With a high juice yield of up to 99%, every piece of produce is maximized, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Another strong point is its ease of use. The machine can be assembled or disassembled in seconds with just 3 main parts, while the one-button control keeps operation simple. Cleaning is also straightforward with its included brush and push rod, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. The heavy-duty build of the juicer ensures durability, while built-in side vents prevent overheating and extend its lifespan. With its combination of thoughtful design, powerful performance, and safety features, the YPONE juicer machine is a reliable and family-friendly option. It is particularly suitable for those who want high-quality juice without spending too much time on prep and cleanup. Number 3. Ninja Juicer Machine for Home. The Ninja Juicer Machine combines compact design with powerful performance, making it a practical choice for those seeking quick, fresh juice without occupying too much counter space. Its high-torque motor provides the strength to process even tough ingredients, ensuring non-stop juicing without interruptions. Unlike traditional juicers, this model gives users control over pulp content, thanks to its 2 interchangeable filters that allow you to choose between less pulp or lots of pulp. This versatility makes it ideal for families where preferences differ. With 2 one-touch programs, start/stop and reverse, the juicer is easy to operate and beginner-friendly. The reverse function is especially handy for unclogging and maintaining smooth operation, ensuring consistent juice flow. Ninja also designed this juicer with user convenience in mind, offering simple assembly and disassembly for quick setup and easy cleaning. Another thoughtful feature is the anti-drip lever, which helps prevent messes on countertops and minimizes juice waste. Despite its compact size, the juicer still delivers powerful performance, and its low-speed auger ensures juices retain more nutrients and natural flavors. While it may not come with the wide feed chute of some competitors, its efficiency and simplicity make it well suited for smaller kitchens or individuals who prioritize convenience. Storage is also a breeze, as the compact size allows it to fit easily under cabinets. For those who want a straightforward, no-frills juicer that is reliable, easy to clean, and versatile in pulp control, the Ninja Juicer Machine is a smart and space-saving choice for everyday juicing needs. Number 4. Canoly Juicer Machine for Home. The Canoly Juicer Machine stands out as a versatile and premium option for those who enjoy more than just traditional juices. With its 3-in-1 strainer system, this cold-press juicer offers the ability to create not only fresh juices but also sorbets and nut-based drinks, making it far more multifunctional than standard models. Its advanced AC brushless motor is one of its biggest selling points, operating quietly at just 35 dB while delivering durability for over a decade of use. This makes it a great fit for families who want reliable daily performance without disruptive noise. The 6-inch extra-wide feed chute allows for whole fruits and vegetables to be processed without pre-cutting, significantly reducing preparation time. Additionally, Canoly's pre-cutter and anti-clog design set it apart by slicing produce evenly before pressing, which prevents jams and increases juice efficiency. With a 99.6% juice yield, this machine ensures maximum extraction, meaning less waste and more nutrition in every glass. Cleanup is equally straightforward, with detachable and easy-to-rinse parts. The secure pulp container locks in place, preventing spills during use. Design-wise, the Canoly Juicer Machine balances functionality with efficiency, providing a rich juicing experience with minimal effort. Number 4. Canoly Juicer Machine for Home. The Canoly Juicer Machine stands out as a versatile and premium option for those who enjoy more than just traditional juices. With its 3-in-1 strainer system, this cold-press juicer offers the ability to create not only fresh juices but also sorbets and nut-based drinks, making it far more multifunctional than standard models. Its advanced AC brushless motor is one of its biggest selling points, operating quietly at just 35 dB while delivering durability for over a decade of use. This makes it a great fit for families who want reliable daily performance without disruptive noise. The 6-inch extra-wide feed chute allows for whole fruits and vegetables to be processed without pre-cutting, significantly reducing preparation time. Additionally, Canoly's pre-cutter and anti-clog design set it apart by slicing produce evenly before pressing, which prevents jams and increases juice efficiency. With a 99.6% juice yield, this machine ensures maximum extraction, meaning less waste and more nutrition in every glass. Cleanup is equally straightforward, with detachable and easy-to-rinse parts. The secure pulp container locks in place, preventing spills during use. Design-wise, the Canoly Juicer Machine balances functionality with efficiency, providing a rich juicing experience with minimal effort.